Next on the list, I have June 20th, 2025. Let's see. Let's mark this prior day high. 4-hour time frame. It's prior day high right here. Let's see. So this is the first resistance I have. This is a resistance too, but I just like how it gives it room, a little bit more room after the break. 329.32. A nice dollar move after the break. Let's see. Let's see what else we have, just to make sure. No. 331.31, 330.69. That's a 70-cent move. Let's see. I'm gonna keep it with 3 lines, only because if you look here, the 4-hour time frame's extended. Like, yeah, we are bull flagging, we are breaking out, but it's definitely extended in this area here. The same way we was extended here, and we needed a pullback to touch the 9 EMA. It's the same way we're kind of extending again. So let me see what kind of move we have after this breakout. Red to green plays definitely pay, but sometimes if the larger time frames are extended, we are due for a pullback, and it's not always the breakout we want. Let me go to 935. See? So boom. Red to green. Reject this first area. Hold. Reject. Red to green to my next level. It's Monday. Probably 30% move, depending on how you caught it. Definitely halfway before the actual entry. Good risk to reward if you better risk to reward if you catch it properly. But if you're catching it up here, you might get shaked out a little bit before the initial move is made. So let's see what happens by 9:40. So here we come down. After that last rejection, we come down. So nice breakout, but no continuation. Next on the list, we have August 11th, 2025. Let me fix the time. August 11, 2025. I'm going to 4-hour time frame, see what's going on. And again, no matter what type of trading style you like, check out the 4-hour time frame when you're playing your upside plays, and just see how much we respect that 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what we have. 338. See if we have anything before this though. That seems like a big stretch. Let me see, it's a psychological 337.59. Do that. Let me leave this here. 338.88. Let's see how much touches we have with that level. We respected it here. Boom, boom. Yeah, respected it here too. Nice. Again, I don't chart pre-market or after hours levels unless I'm looking for a pre-market entry or pre-market entry for a high or a low. Let me see, next level. 340.64. 1, 2, 3. 3 respects. Let's see. 4 areas over here also. Yeah, nice 4 areas. See what happens. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 940. See what happens. Wow. Nice red to green. Break. Red to green off my next support into the next resistance, and couldn't break this area. Let's see what happens by like 950. See if we recover. We recovered. Let's see what's in this area after the actual high. This is a nice bull flag, red to green, also on the 4-hour time frame. See what happened. This is kind of high. See if I could catch a lower wick. It's kind of high. See if I could catch another lower wick. Boom. See, yep, 1, 2, double top. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Boom. Broke, but couldn't really hold above this next resistance. Broke out, held the level, held the resistance level as support a few times in this area, and finally broke out for another bull flag above. Couldn't break and hold. Let's see what happens by 10 o'clock. Boom. Still playing in the same area. Alright. Let me fix the time. Next date we have, we going to 2024. December 2nd, 2024. We're going to go back. December 2nd, 2024. So, did a few recent. We're going to do a few further back to see how much we still respect on the 4-hour time frame with Tesla. Just to show you, it's not just recent dates, it's also older dates. So we have this pre-market after hour high here. Boom. So we have 353.69. First level of resistance is 355.05. 355.05. And we have 358.64. Let's see. So this is a big space, right? And like I told you guys, I don't chart on the 1 hour when it comes to upside plays, but I'm going to look for at least one 1 hour resistance. As you can see, there's nothing in this area. Nothing in this area on the 4 hour. And when there's not, you got to give the 1 hour a chance. Only if there's no 4 hour in the area. Let's see. I still don't see anything. Let me see. $355.75. Let's see. What did this do? $355.75. $355.75. Boom. So another red to green play. Entry in this area. Reject right here. Hold the prior day pre-market after hour level. Breakout. Couldn't break and hold above the 1 hour resistance. And we read the green off the 4 hour resistance support and reject off my next 4 hour level and come back down. Crazy. Look at this.